Hello, in this video we will discuss about the anxiety and their causes of anxiety and how to produce these things. For example, anxiety and depression. So basically, the anxiety is the part of depression. Why? Because when you feel fear for the interview or fearing for the jobs or something or go to the college first day, so you are going to anxiety and how to fix it. So that is the major reason, and that is the major answer for this. So anxiety is basically due, it is the neurological effect. Basically, when the nervous system will be uh, depressed due to the less confidence and the fear of the job. For example, a one person who are getting the job and he has not a previous job, he is empty, so he feel more anxiety as compared to that person which that is already job holder, and for getting another job and go for the interview, so that is another thing, and he can get a less anxiety as compared to that person which that is the initial stage or the first time. So this is due to the experience. Basically, experience will decrease the anxiety. So important thing is that is the basically this is the reason why, but anxiety is long term will be affect your brain, for example your nervous system. Due to the anxiety is the same things which that is I have discussed in the previous video, which that is you can watch my previous video for understanding the depression, so how it's fixed. Basically anxiety is due to the problem is that it means you have not job, you have not any health, you have not any things, so how can you live a healthy life. So important thing is that anxiety is due to the job. So in this way you can depend to the Allah. So that is important thing first of all. So important thing is that anxiety will depress you, but don't do that. Just remember in your mind, it's okay if I will not get a job. So it will be okay because the next chance I can avail. So next chance I can get. So that is the major reason, which that is you can embed in your mind. When you embed in your mind these things, for example, the next field for me is more, so I have a many choices, I can do more anything, so you can do that, and in this way you will feel less anxiety. And the anxiety is basically is due to the sympathetic nervous system activation. For example, when you will stimulate the anxiety due to the sympathetic nervous system, that is very destructive process in which glucose level will be high, and destruction of the muscles, destruction of the nervous system, destruction of the different organs, and less appetite, and in this way you will going to decrease. So it means you are not getting job, and with the skipping of the job due to the some reason. So in this way, the both combination, for example, job plus health, you are losing health and job collectively. Why? Because you are going to anxiety. So don't anxiety, don't feel depressed, don't stress, don't feel fear. So that is the important things. Just be happy throughout your life, and the life will give you a many more things in the due to the nature wise, because nature will provide you. Even you are eating this time, you are getting healthy, and you are going to good life. In this way, you basically you are getting the good time, and in this way you can achieve yourself with the health. So the health is the number one, and the wealth will the next time you can get, but the health is the number one thing which that is important. And be happy, eat good food which that is not expensive, and live a good life without anxiety and be happy. So forget about the environmental stress, for example the job, etc. All things will you can get at last. Why? Because there are many person who are getting the jobs, and why you are not getting? It is possible. It is possible you can get, and if you are going to late, so it is not a problem. You will get that things. I am exemplifying the jobs, but there are many reasons. For example, family problems or routine problem, etc., which that is a minor to maximum problems which can be solved due to the your own will. So in this way basically the anxiety is the grip of your own will. In this way you can achieve the happiness due to the stress of the anxiety. Anxiety is basically due to the materialistic person. For example, no money, no wealth, so how I am survive, how I will survive, and that things is basically useless. This question is arising in your mind, so forget about it. But important thing is that be happy and work hard. Be happy, work hard. Hard work is your success sign. Sign of the success is due to the hard work. First of all, you will work hard and be happy and forget about the success. When you will work hard, so you will achieve that goals. For example, you are going to some works, for example the hard struggle for making something new, so it will require the time, and time is basically during the time requirement you should be happy and wait for the success. If the success will not possible or success will not get, basically it is possible, but I am saying just if it is not possible, so your happiness will not lose at least. So the happiness will continue and your health will be maintained. And if you not success, basically success can be possible due to the work hard. If you work hard, so the success can be possible. But remain happy throughout your life and forget about the anxiety and fear. What will I do in the next, in the future? I have nothing, I something. So that is important thing is that you will cool down and throughout your life. So that is important things I am sharing to you. So I hope you are getting. So I am making a new tutorial. For example, I make a tutorial about the angry state, which that is here. You can see this is my tutorial. This is basically it is uploaded by me. So this is, you can watch this tutorial is the anger state, and I am describing about the anger state and how the cortisol hormone will produce the from our body, and stress hormone, and how it's destructing hormone, and that is etc etc. And basically serotonin we will discuss in the next video about the serotonin, that is the happiness hormone. So this talking is basically experience your knowledge we related to the psychology, and basically we are discussing about the psychological effect and the environmental effect in your brain, which that will depress your nervous system. And in this way basically the happiness is the key to success. If you are not happy, so how to do work, how to hard work? So that is important things. When you will work hard with the happiness and forget about the success, so the success will come at last. But if you are going to anxiety, depression, and feeling stress due to the your goal, may goal will be success, may you will be success or not, so that problem is that problem will not solve by your depression. That problem will solve by a happiness and struggle with a happy struggle is important. So clear in this video basically about the anxiety and the depression. So the next video we will also understand about the different more and more situation.